Hello guys, good morning. I'm here now in Bataan. I'm waiting the bus. Yes guys. This is the metro bus in Riyadh. Okay. If you check where is the bus? This is the metro station of bus. And this is guys the card. Guys, this is card. You payment through online. Oo guys, nagbabayad dito. Tapos itong card guys, pag maubos na itong laman, i-recharge muna naman doon sa kabilang station. Hindi ka magre-recharge sa kabila. Kasi wala dito yung recharge time. Oo guys. So yun guys, thank you so much guys for supporting my short video in my channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Yes guys, may taxi kasi akala na sasakay, hindi ako sasakay kasi nagbantay ako ng bus, kaya nag video muna ako guys. Anong oras dito ngayon? Alas 5. Oh. So yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe and support guys. Bye bye. See you again on my next video guys. Thank you so much for watching.